Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a partial refund to someone on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that someone received your product, but they want a partial refund just because the item wasn't as described to you as it was. How do you actually go ahead and send someone a partial refund on eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your eBay account. Then click on sell. And then next what you're going to do is that you want to click on orders and all orders on the upper left hand side. Then find the order that you want to send a partial refund for. So let's do this first order right over here. Click on the three dots, scroll down, and then click on send refund. Now once you click on send refund, you're going to be redirected to this page here. This is where you can enter the partial refund amount. So if you want to do 50%, you can do 13, say 44, which is roughly 50%. But you can enter the amount that you want to refund here, and then click on next. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and send a partial refund to someone on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.